Louvered Pergola is available in both freestanding and wall-mounted versions, making it suitable for open terraces or direct attachment to a building. We offer the system in 3x3 meters, 3x4 meters, and 3x6 meters sizes in 2 powder-coated finishes, anthracite and white. The entire structure is made of 100% aluminum. The roof consists of rotating louvers that, when closed, are fully watertight and snow load resistant. Efficient drainage is ensured by a gutter system installed around the perimeter, which directs rainwater into the interior of the pergola legs. The louvers are operated exclusively manually via a crank, ensuring a reliable and maintenance-free mechanism. The GLORIA model stands out for its aesthetics and the ability to enclose each side bay individually. Depending on your needs, you can install screen blinds, sliding panels, or rotating side louvers. This flexibility provides full protection against wind, sun, and provides extra privacy. The GLORIA Pergola is very easy to assemble, allowing for a smooth DIY installation. You can select all parameters, dimensions, and side enclosures using the configurator at shopsun.eu. Check out our offer. This premium quality product is available at a very competitive price. Let's get started with the assembly. Each set comes with clear paper instructions that will make the whole process a lot easier for you. We begin by preparing the pergola supports. First, screw the bases to the posts, and once tightened, put on the special masking cap. Prepare every other support in exactly the same way. Once the supports are ready, it's time to assemble the so-called first frame. It consists of the left and right supports and a long crossbeam. Join these elements together and you're done. For the freestanding version, you'll need 2 such frames. For the wall-mounted version, 1 is enough. We're showing the assembly of the first one, as the second is put together identically. First frame is ready. With both frames ready, connect them using the shorter crossbeams. Secure and screw both sides in the same way. The main structure is up, so let's move on to the roof slats, louvers. Start by equipping the first lead slat with the control mechanism and end caps. Mount the slat inside the roof space, seating it along with the mechanism, which is screwed to the crossbeam using a special screw and plate. Now, time for a test. Install the crank connector and check if the mechanism runs smoothly and the starter slat rotates without resistance. This is important because this slat will guide all the others using a linkage rod, which you'll see in a moment. Prepare all the remaining slats identically. Install special end caps on both ends. Place each slat between the crossbeams and screw it in with the dedicated plate. The final stage is the installation of the linkage rods. They work in such a way that the lead slat pulls the rest behind it. Place each of the two rods onto the slat pins and secure them with special cotter pins. Finally, install the corner caps in every corner. One last important thing, anchoring the supports to the ground. We aren't doing this in our video because it's a demonstration, but you must use the anchors provided in the set. Pergola assembled. As you can see, the process is simple and hassle-free. Check out our offer at shopsun.eu. See you next time.